Hey Della, how you doing? I see your work up. I don't have a PDF, so I won't be able to get in here until we'll have to do it like this. Can't zoom in or anything. But anyways, the timeline idea is just smashing. I love it. I love the timeline. It adds this whole kind of Japanese flavor that I think is just so intensely beautiful. I really think you did a great job on the timeline. My problem is that the timeline, right now, the back of the composition, the back of the poster looks like two different pieces. This looks completely separate than this. And I'm not real sure if that is a good situation to be in. I don't think it is. Right now, it almost looks like this could fold over and be two separate pages. So we need to address that. I think that if we take a look at this, I think this presenting the typographic biographical information up top is a good solution here. And I think I'm not saying I don't think this iteration is working. I think there's just too much going on. You're asking the viewer to concentrate on too many things at the same time. So I think the simplicity of this is much nicer. Plus, you've got this gorgeous negative space that you're using. Here, you've got no negative space. You're just kind of forcing design elements into every corner and everywhere on the page. So there's no breathing room at all. Right now, I think that for this composition, if we were to take this and just minimize the size a little bit and then get it down somewhere so that it's not such a prominent position because right now this is taking all the hierarchy away from the page. There's two things we see when we open this page. We see, of course, the first thing with the eye goes right there to the big red dot. Okay, now speaking of the big red dot, I see that you're using that to show some heritage. Pay some homage to the heritage, and that's great. However, this could be representing disrespect. And the reason I say that is because this imperial sun, the Japanese emblem, is deteriorating. It's falling apart. It's disintegrating, and that could be a sign of disrespect to other cultures. I would recommend not doing that. Okay, so typographically, let's take a look at what's going on here. You've got some very, very unusual things going on. It's very unusual to present two paragraphs, one left aligned, one right aligned. So you have this center that's just everywhere. There's just no margin here at all. You've got these indents and these indents here. So this area right here is visually stressful. Okay, I would recommend, if you're going to stay with this format, left align both columns of type. I think an interesting thing to do would be to really take this, move that down, okay, and then don't forget, you gotta work with some negative space. If we were to take this, move this down, move the image over here, and then just give two good solid type columns. And a couple of other things I want to talk about typography is this. Your rags are really bad. Okay, so your bags, there's a pattern right there. It goes whoop, then it goes in, then it comes way out. Remember, rags, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. Not enough to notice, though. Let me find a good series. Here's a great series of rags right here, right through here. Okay, long, short, long, short, long, short. That's fantastic right here. But then we come short, short, then long, long. So you have a pattern right here. Whoop, goes like that. We don't want those, okay? That's a widow right there. That's a word that sits on a line alone. Don't want that. There's another one. There's another. And there's another. Don't want those at all. Watch your margins. You're really close to the edge of the page. Okay, and really think about white space here. I think white space is going to be your friend. Love the background. Love the background. Okay, so that's what I have. And just so you know, I said this has too many visual stops. Basically, you've got the guy 1, circle 2, type 3, this house 4, this house 5, and then all these years. So there's just too many visual stops. The nice thing about this timeline here is it's looked at as one element. And that's the strength of it, where these are looked at as 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Hope that makes sense. Anyways, Della, fantastic job. Smashing, one might say. Anyway, if you have any questions at all, or if I can help any further, please let me know. But I know that it looks like you're still trying to decide, make a lot of decisions. But I just want to pass along that I'm here if you need any help or if I can clarify anything. All right, great job. Thank you.